If you've already watched the previous connector videos in this series, you've become a connector pro. So let's get to the pro features by using your keyboard to create shapes. To create a new shape to add to the one you already have, click on the shape on your canvas, hit Alt and Shift, and one of the cursor keys, for example, right, to create a shape to the right of the original, and so on. If you want to switch to a different shape, just release the Alt key, so you're only holding down Shift, go to the Shape library and click to select a new shape. The shape has now changed. Hold Alt-Shift again, select yet another shape to change to and release Alt. You have a different shape now. Repeat these keyboard shortcuts to add new shape forms as you need, and now you've completed an advanced function.